Hello and welcome back to my channel, Sean Opinions and Reviews. If you're watching my channel, thank you for watching my channel. Today, I'm going to do a review on the Artius Man beard oil sample that I got in the mail. Here are the scents that I got in the mail. I got Citrus Spice and Mountain Air. If y'all can see that, it probably ain't gonna focus, but I say right off the bat, this has hit my #1 list. Now, I don't really have a real list of beard oils that I use, because normally I buy products and I kind of just stick with it, but this is a damn good beard oil. I'll say that right now. I should have went ahead and just bought the 1 ounce and the balm, but I was being kind of cheap, so I just bought the sampler instead. But I highly recommend the oil, and some of the ingredients are castor seed oil, sunflower seed oil, jojoba seed oil, shea seed oil, baobab, and I know I'm saying that wrong, seed oil, and marula seed oil. And the scents for the citrus fire is clove, cinnamon, and I was trying to find the other scents for the citrus fire, but I had to look on the internet because it's not on the bottle. So, and for Mountain Air, it's patchouli, cedarwood, spearmint, and cypress. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty good. I know I say that about a lot of products, but this is, I mean, I'm really impressed. I mean, I should have just went ahead and bought the set, but like I said, I was being cheap. But I put this on earlier, the Citrus Spice, and it's been like in my beard all day. I can still smell it. Like I put it on like 5 hours ago, and I still smell it. It lasts for a good while. It softens the beard. I will put on some now, but I done put on like a lot of product today because I already put on Boss Man. I just put this on, but you know what? I'll show that. Screw it. And show the consistency of it. It's a thicker oil. I'm putting it in my head because I got too much stuff in my beard to begin with. But it's a thicker oil. Softens up the beard real nice. It softened mine up. And smells like the citrus spice smells like it has, like, you can smell the orange, the lemon. You can smell like the cinnamon. It has that like a little bit of kick to it. It's not just straight oranges and lemon and lime, and yeah, I could, and it has kind of like a woodsy kick, like a woodsy scent too to it. So let me put that. I'm gonna put the rest of my head. I don't care. I got so much stuff in my beard right now, but I was really impressed with the beard oil. I mean, I could see why, everybody's talking very highly of this company and of the oil. And I mean, it's probably gonna jump to my #1 beard oil, to be honest. And I really don't have like favorite beard oils, to be honest, because I kind of get products and I kind of stick with them until I kind of completely run out, and then I just buy whatever I feel like getting. But I really like this oil. I really do. It's thick, it lasts in the beard, it makes the beard soft, it feels great, smells great. I highly recommend Artius Man. If you're interested in getting the samples, I'll put a link down low to Artius Man website, and all you have to do is pay $3.95. You get, whatever samples you want, like whatever scent you want. And they have like another sampler pack. I forgot how much it is. I think it's $25, and you get like 5 oils that you can pick out. But yeah, I should have just went ahead and just got the whole set. And I probably am. As soon as I get done with this video, I'm probably gonna go ahead and go on Amazon and try to, because I've seen it on Amazon too. But yeah, I highly recommend this oil. Go ahead and pick up some Artius Man if you can. Hey, Michael and Jeff, you're doing a great job at that company. Hey, keep up the good work. It's a hell of an oil. I mean, I like it. It smells great. I mean, it's a good beard oil. I mean, I was really impressed. But with that said, I hope y'all have a good rest of the day, and I'm out. Peace. And like, comment, subscribe. I always keep forgetting to say that. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.